Hello friends, Namaste. In the previous video lecture, we have learned exercise 11.3. Now in this session, we will learn exercise 11.4. So, open your textbook. Exercise 11.4, page number exercise 11.4, page number 226. First, let's know about conversion of units. We know that 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. Therefore, 1 centimeter square equals 1 millimeter, 10 into 10 millimeter. 10 into 10 means 100 millimeter square. 1 centimeter square means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. 10 into 10, 100 millimeter square. Now 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Therefore 1 meter square. 1 meter square means 1 meter into 1 meter. Means 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Therefore 1 meter square equals 10,000 centimeter square. Now 1 hectare equals 100 meter square into 100 meter square. Therefore 1 hectare equals 10,000 meter square. Now 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. Therefore 1 kilometer square equals 1000 meter into 1000 meter. Means 10 lakh meter square. Now exercise 11.4, question number 1. A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of the path. Also find the area of the garden in hectare. Look, here the garden is given 90 meter long and 75 meter wide. Now path 5 meter wide is built outside the garden. Here the length of the path, here 5 meter and here also 5 meter. Therefore for the outer rectangle the length will be 90 plus 5 plus 5 means 100, and here the breadth of the inner rectangle is 75. Therefore breadth of outer rectangle will be 75 plus 5 plus 5, 85. Now let's find the area of the garden first. For the garden, L equals 90 meter, L 90 meter, B 75 meter. Therefore area of garden equals L into B. 90 into 75, 6750 meter square. Now length of the garden with path. Look, this length is 90 meter. Here the path is 5 meter. Here also 5 meter. Therefore length of the garden with path equals 90 plus 5 plus 5, 100 meter. Means the length of the outer rectangle is 100 meter. Now breadth of the garden with path. Look, here the breadth of the garden is 75 meter. Here 5 meter breadth, here also 5 meter. Therefore breadth of the garden with path equals 75 plus 5 plus 5, 85 meter. Now area of the garden with path equals L multiplied by B. Area of garden with path means the area of outer rectangle. Length is 100, breadth is 85. 100 into 85, 8500 meter square. Now we have to find the area of the path. For the area of the path, which is shaded here, we have to subtract the area of the garden from the area of the garden with the path. Means area of the path equals area of garden with path minus area of garden without path. Area of garden with path is 8500 meter square minus area of the garden without path is 6750 meter square. 8500 minus 6750, answer will be 1750 meter square. Means our first answer is find the area of the path. Our first answer, area of the path is 1750 meter square. Now second question is also find the area of the garden in hectare. Look, area of the garden in meter square is 6750. We know that 10,000 meter square equals 1 hectare. Therefore 6750 meter square equals cross multiplication 6750 into 1 upon 10,000. 6750 upon 10,000. Here 10,000 is in denominator, therefore our decimal point will be after 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there will be the point. And here 0. Therefore area of the garden in hectare equals 0.6750 or 0.675 hectare. Now question number 2. A 3 meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter. Find the area of the park. This sum is same as question number 1. First, you find the area of the rectangular park L into B, 125 into 65. Then find the length with the path. Here the width of the path is 3 meter. Therefore length with the path will be 125 plus 3 plus 3, 131. Breadth will be 65 plus 3 plus 3, 71. Area of the garden including path will be L into B, 131 into 71. Then subtract the area of the garden without the path from the area of the garden with the path. Then you can find the area of the path. Therefore this sum you can do yourself, same as question number 1. Now question number 3. A picture is painted on a cardboard 8 cm long and 5 cm wide such that there is a margin of 1.5 cm along each of its side. Find the area of the margin. Here the cardboard ABCD is the cardboard. Length is 8 cm and breadth is 5 cm. Therefore area of the cardboard equals L into B, 8 into 5, 40 cm square. Now here there is margin. Therefore the width of the margin is given in the question 1.5 cm. Therefore length of this rectangle EFGH, length of the rectangle EFGH will be, this length is 8 cm. We have to subtract 1.5 and 1.5. This is the length of the margin. Therefore length of rectangle EFGH equals 8 minus 1.5 plus 1.5. 1.5 plus 1.5, 3. 8 minus 3, 5 centimeter. Now look, this breadth BC is given 5 centimeter. Here also the margin is 1.5, here also margin is 1.5. Therefore, width of rectangle EFGH equals 5 minus 1.5 plus 1.5. 5 minus 3, 2 centimeter. Now, area of this rectangle EFGH equals L into B. Length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter, 5 into 2, 10 centimeter square. Now, area of the margin equals area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. Area of margin equals area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. Area of ABCD is 40 centimeter square. Area of EFGH equals 10 centimeter square. 40 minus 10, answer will be 10 centimeter square. Means area of the margin is 30 centimeter square. Now, question number 4. A veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. First question, the area of the veranda. Find the area of the veranda. Second, the cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. Now look in the question. For the room, length is 1.5 meter, breadth is 4 meter, L 5.5 meter, B 4 meter. Therefore, area of the room equals L into B, 5.5 into 4. 55 fours are 220. Here there is decimal point, therefore 22.0 means 22 meter square is the area of the room. Now, length of the room with veranda. In question, the width of veranda is given 2.25 meter. Therefore, length of the room with veranda will be 5.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 because here 2.5, here also 2.5. Therefore, length of the room with veranda will be 5.5 plus 2.25 plus 2.25. 2.25 plus 2.25, 4.5. 5.5 plus 4.5, 10 meter. Now, breadth of the room with veranda equals 4 plus 2.25 plus 2.25. 8.5 meter. Now, area of the room with veranda equals L into B. Length 10 meter, breadth 8.5 meter. 85 tens are 850. Here decimal point, therefore 85.0 means 85 meter square. Now, area of the veranda equals area of the room with veranda minus area of the room. Area of the room with veranda is 85 meters square and area of the room is 22 meters square. 85 minus 22, 63 meter square. Now you have to find the cost. The cost is given 1 meter square equals 200 rupees. 1 meter square cost 200 rupees. Then 63 meter square, how much is the cost? Cross multiplication, 200 into 63. 63 twos are 126 and 2 zeros. 12,600 rupees is the cost. Now question number 5. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden of side 30 meter. Find first the area of the path, second the cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of 40 per meter square. Here the length of the square garden is given 30 meter, means for ABCD 30 meter is given length, and 1 meter path, 1 meter wide path is built. Therefore here you have to find the cost of EFGH. If this is 30 meter, then length of this inside square will be 30 minus 1 minus 1, 28 meter. 30 into 30, 900 meter square, 28 into 28. Then you subtract the smaller area from the bigger area, and then you can find the cost. The cost is 40 rupees per meter square. Friends, this sum is very easy, therefore you can do it yourself. Now question number 6. Two crossroads of width 10 meter cut at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meter and breadth 300 meter and parallel to its sides. Find the area of the roads. Also find the area of the park including crossroads. Give the answer in hectare. Here two crossroads of width 10 meter cut at the right angles through the center of the rectangular park, and for the rectangular park the measure is given length 700 meter, breadth 300 meter. Here look at the figure. This is crossroad. Here PQ is given 10 meter and PS is given for this rectangle. Breadth is 300 meter and length is 700 meter. Here the width of the crossroad is 10 meter. Therefore in this figure PQ equals 10 meter and PS is same as BC, 300 meter. Therefore PS equals 300 meter. Now EH for this crossroad, the horizontal crossroad, EH equals 10 meter and EF is the same as the length CD, 700 meter. Therefore EF also 700 meter. Now look, in this crossroad this square KLMN is included in both horizontal and vertical. Therefore for this square KL 10 meter, KN 10 meter. Now area of the roads equals area of PQRS, plus area of EFGH, this horizontal, minus area of KLMN. Why we minus? We do subtraction of area of KLMN because KLMN is taken twice, in area of PQRS and in area of EFGH. In both KLMN is the same. Therefore we subtract one time. Now area of PQRS equals PQ multiplied by PS. PQ multiplied by PS. PQ is given 10 meter, PS 300 meter, means 3000 meter square. Now area of EFGH equals EH, this breadth, and EF, length. EH is 10 meter, EF is 700 meter. 10 into 700, 7000 meter square. Now area of KLMN, this square, KL10, LM10. Therefore KL into KN, 10 into 10, 100 meter square. Now area of the crossroad equals area of PQRS plus area of EFGH minus area of KLMN, means 3000 plus 7000 minus 100 meter square. 3000 plus 7000, 10,000. 10,000 minus 100, 9,900 meter square is the area of the crossroad. Now we have to find in hectare. Therefore, we know that 10,000 meter square equals 1 hectare. Therefore, 9,900 meter square equals 9,900 into 1 upon 10,000. 9,900 upon 10,000. Here there is 10,000 in denominator. Therefore, we put the point after 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there will be the point. Means 0.99 hectare. Now, area of the park excluding crossroads equals area of park minus area of road. Area of the park is AB into CD. ABCD is the rectangular park. Therefore, area of park equals AB multiplied by AD minus area of the crossroad is already we find 9900 meter square. AB into AD means 700 into 300. 7 3s are 21. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 means 2,10,000 minus area of roads. We have already found 9,900 meter square. 2,10,000 minus 9,900 equals 2,100 meter square is the area of the park excluding crossroads. Now we find in the answer in hectare. Therefore, we divide by 10,000 because 10,000 meter square equals 1 hectare. Therefore, 2,100,000 upon 10,000. We put the point after 40. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there will be the point. Therefore, our answer will be 20.01 hectare. Means area of the park in hectare is 20.01 hectare. Friends, here we have discussed question number 1 to 6 of exercise 11.4. So write all these 6 sums in your maths CW. In our next session, we will start from question number 7. Thank you.